Welcome to the MEDiml-app installation tutorial on Windows. First, go to our GitHub repository and scroll down to find the latest release. Click on it to go to the release page, where you will find all the assets you need for the installation. We will be needing the Windows files only. Click on the zip file for the Python environment installation, then the .exe file to download it. Note that the downloads might take a while. Once both files are downloaded, open the folder and unzip the Python environment installation file. This will extract a requirements file and a .bat file. Open the .bat file to start installing the Python environment. This process will take a few minutes to complete. After that, the window will automatically close. After the environment setup is complete, it's time to install the app in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the .exe file to execute it. A Windows Smart screen will pop out asking you to approve the installation. Click More Info and then hit Run anyway. An installation pop-up will appear where you can see the installation progress. Once the installation is finished, the MEDiml-app will launch automatically. A message indicating that the Go server is up and ready should appear in the bottom right corner. If that's not the case and a red notification appears, the installation was not successful and we recommend you contact us.